call this Christmas in July with a patriotic flair. So we took this mum and just put a silver ball in the middle of it and wrapped this with ribbon that had silver on it. I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm gonna fold it in half and lay this down into the Bowdabra and just make sure I tuck the ends underneath. I'm not connecting them to anything, but I'm just getting them out of the way. And I have my red mesh and I'm just gonna twist it and put it into my Bowdabra. And with the mesh, you don't have to twist it, but I like to twist it because it helps the mesh actually stay in better. So I twist it here. And just scrunch that last little bit. Take my Bowdabra wand and just push everything down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take my mum and I'm just going to lay that down into the center of the Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it here, bring my two ends through the slip knot I created by folding it in half when I first put it in. Pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it up to the top. I'm gonna separate the ends and bring it around to the back. Tie a knot. And I'm just going to, let's shape my bow. And here you have your beautiful, patriotic Christmas in July bow. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.